Hi children, good morning to everyone. Here, uh, welcome to the class, and today we are going to discuss about the civics lesson. Okay, civics lesson of 7th class, right? So before going to enter into the lesson, I would like to ask you some questions, right? So children, if teacher is not there in the class, otherwise just now completed the period, right? So some time is there to start the next period. So what will you do immediately? Yes, you all will start to chit chat with your friends, right? I know. And means here, whenever you are getting time, you are starting to talk with your friends. Means you are communicating with your friends, right? So they are nearby you. Okay. So immediately you can speak with them. There is no any another channel to speak. Okay. So immediately means directly you can communicate with your friends. If you want to speak with your friends, they are staying in other area, right? Of course, just like that is a Sunday. On Sunday you want to speak with your friends, right? How will you speak? Yes, you will make a call, right? You will make a call and speak. Otherwise, if nearby your home means you will go and meet them, right? So here, if you want to speak with your relatives, they are in another place, right? How will you communicate? Yes, otherwise you will make a call, or otherwise you want to go to there, you can go by bus or train, right? So means here basically you are communicating with the people. Okay, whenever in class also, first I said no, in class also if teacher is not there, immediately you started to share with your feelings to your friends, right? Yesterday I went for shopping, yesterday we went for movie, right? And yesterday I bought this pen, right? Yesterday I bought this new book, right? Yesterday I bought this new dress or new cap or something, right? Immediately you want whatever you know, whatever your ideas, immediately you want to share with your friends, right? Means here your friends are nearby you, beside you, right? So directly you are communicating with them. Okay. So basically why I am giving all this information? Yes, today our topic is media. Okay, means here you are nearby with your friends, that's why you are speaking directly, you are communicating directly, but here they are not nearby you, means you need a media or a channel to communicate with that people, right? So today our topic is understanding media. Okay, and in that lesson we are entering into the module 1. Okay, so children, here different parts of the world, nowadays we are in the modern world, we are getting each and every information within seconds. Okay, anything is happened, anything was happened, right? Any news is there, any new introduction is there, any new launch is there, right? About any product, about any person, about politics, about government, about products, right? About new fashions, new movies, new trends, right? Whatever it may be, within seconds we are getting the information throughout the world, right? How we are getting that information? Yes, media, different medias, right? We have newspapers, we have television, we have radio, right? We have internet, we have mobiles, right? We have different medias to communicate with each other, right? So all these are belongs to the media. Okay, how we need media? Can you imagine your life without media? Can you imagine your life without a TV, without mobile? Can you? At least one day in your life? Because that all the things are becoming a part and parcel in our daily life. Okay, we are habituated to watch TV programs every day. We are habituated to use mobile in our life, right? We are habituated for each and every technology development. We are habituated for each and everything, whatever we are using in our daily life. For that all the things we are habituated to use that, right? So if technology is not there, means in the ancient period, Okay, previous class you learned about ancient period now. So in that ancient period, how people used to communicate? That time no TV, no mobile, right? No media, no technology, nothing is there. So that time how they transferred, how they delivered, how they shifted their information from one place to another place, how they communicated with each other. Yes, actually that time for long distances they used drums. If they want to spread any news in the village or any town, a person he is playing drums and he will stand in the center of that village and he will play that drums and he will announce the matter. Right, like that they used to spread the information throughout the village or throughout the town. Okay, and some after that, if any long distances, they need to spread that information, and some people will run. Okay, for long distances they used to run and they used to they used to pass the information to another village or another town. Right, and in some areas after that they used pigeons also.
Here. The
Okay,
first
pigeons
slide is
you know, right?
tides.
Yes,
Right?
the pigeons.
The tides are
With
the
that
period
pigeons they used to
rising
send
and
the
falling of the
information
sea
from
level
one place to
due
another
to the
place.
gravitational pull
Right?
of the moon
And
sun
next
acting
here
on the
men on horses.
rotating
When horses
earth.
introduced, when
Right?
horses came
So
into
here
the
you can see the full
time,
moon
that
also.
time
And
onwards
the
they
full
used
moon
men
day,
on horses.
the tides.
Some members, men,
Right?
some
And
men
next coming to
on horses they used
high
to go
tides.
to another
Already
places
we
and they
discussed
used
we have two
to pass
types
the
of tides,
information
high
to
tides and low
another
tides.
area.
Here coming to
Right,
the
means
high
these are the
tides. During
sources
the high
that time,
tides,
because
the waters
that time
rise
there
in
is no
the
technology,
tidal
there is no media.
tidal belt and
Right?
rush in towards
So
the
like that
land
they
and
used
flood
to
it. Right?
transfer
And
the
next
information
coming
plus
to the low
from one
tides,
place to another place.
Here
But now
during the low
we
tide
have
the water
technology.
level
We are in the
falls
modern
and the
world.
sea water
Okay,
recedes.
we have technology. We have so
Okay.
many media.
So here
We can
children,
within seconds
discussed
we
already
can
what are spring tides
deliver
and
the
neap
message
tides, right?
throughout the world.
So here I want to show you
Now we
how
have
to
digital media,
form
electronic
the
media,
spring
broadcasting
tides
media,
and
print
neap
media.
tides. Okay.
Right?
So
Different
about
types
that,
of media.
about that I want to show you
Okay.
a small video
So
here.
in the different
So first
types of
see the
media,
video.
print media, what will come under the print media? Newspapers. Right? So broadcasting media, radio and television. And next coming to digital media. Digital media means? Yes. Digital media means emails. Okay. And next now mobiles came. We are giving messages in WhatsApp. Okay. Within seconds we are transferring the information from here to there, wherever they are. If suppose for example we are in Hyderabad, we want to communicate with Chennai or Noida or some Bangalore, right, some other place, some other state, then also we can give within seconds we can send the information from here to there through WhatsApp, or otherwise we can call through mobile, right? Means we have this much technology, we have all these are medias, different kinds of medias, right? And here basically what is media? Yes, media means here whatever it may be, a small stall at a fair to a program we are watching on the TV. Till there, that all the things are considered under the media, right? Different channels. Okay, so those all are the things will come under the media. We have different medias. Okay, and here also one-to-one contact. If we are reading a newspaper, we can catch a newspaper and we can read. If we want to talk with a person, we can call a person to the mobile or a phone. We can speak with that side person, right? Means one-to-one communication this is. But through newspapers, through news channels, through media, through TV, through internet, we can give at a time to the millions of the people, we can spread the information, right? Means at a time we can cover the throughout India, throughout country, throughout state, right? Means that is called as mass media. At a time we can contact with the mass audience. Okay, millions of members we can cover at a time, right? So that kind of media is called as mass media. Okay, TV, internet, through social media, Facebook, Twitter, right? So with radio, through that kind of medias we can pass the information all over the country at a time, all over the world at a time. Okay, so that is called as mass media, and one-to-one communication is coming to the newspaper, phone, right? So these are the different medias. Actually, we have so much of technology now, I said already, but how that technology is changing. For example, I will tell you about 3 incidents. Okay, in the year of 1492, actually, Columbus landed on America. Okay, but his sponsor, she is Queen of Spain. She came to know that information after 5 to 6 months, because there is no information, there is no media to pass the information very quick. Okay, means that information take 5 to 6 months of time to reach her. Okay, and after, in the year of 1865, Abraham Lincoln was shot, right? So that information spread to Egypt after 10 to 12 days. Means here some difference. 15th century to coming to the 19th century, we can find the difference. Okay, that time they took to pass the information 5 to 6 months. Here coming to 10 to 12 days of time, right? And in the year of 2007, Benazir Bhutto was assassinated, right? But within minutes, that information was spreaded all over the world. Okay, means this is the difference in the technology from different generations. Okay, from 15th century and in the 19th century and again 21st century, right? This is the difference in the technology, how fast it was. Okay, and before it was very slow, and after that it coming to the days. First it took months together of time. Okay, and next coming to the days of time, and next minutes, seconds. Okay, means like that the technology is changing year to year, right? So each and everywhere, not only now the TV, without TV we can't imagine our life, because every day we are watching TV in different programs. In that we are watching game shows, we are watching advertisements in that, right? And we are watching some serials, movies, news, everything, because we are habituated, right? So like that, TV and radio, means mobile, all these technological, these are the gadgets, became a part in our life. Without that we can't imagine our life. Okay, one day without mobile, one day without TV, can you imagine? No, because we are habituated, because we are very eager to know the information all over the world, what is happening outside, right? What our government is doing for us, right? Why what our PM Narendra Modi is taking decisions about Corona, present situation, right? Means not only that, about everything. Okay, whatever is happening, and advertisements also, they are also giving information to us through their products. They are promoting their products and they are giving their product related information to us, right? So that they are also giving information. Okay, means that also one kind of information media for us, right? So these all are the information channels for us. Whatever we are watching, whatever we are seeing, whatever we are doing in our daily life, with that, all that things, we are getting information from somewhere else, right? Through news, through serials, through movies, through channels, through programs, through advertisements, right? Whatever we are watching, with all that things we are getting information, some sort of information through our government, through our politics, through our country, through our society, right? So about everything we are getting information. Okay, so about these children, I want to show you some slides. Children, see the slides here. Here first slide is showing in ancient days communication. Okay, the person is playing drums and he is announcing the information. Okay, means people used drums to communicate over long distances, right? And next slide, runners will go to another places and they will pass the information to the another village or another town, This is also one kind of communication. And next, coming to the pigeons, communication through pigeons. They sent, means people use it to send the information through another places through pigeons, right? This is also one kind of communication in the ancient period. And next, coming to men on horses. Here we can see a person is sitting on the horse and he is riding the horse, right? So communication through men on horses from one place to another place. This is also one mode of communication. And next, coming to here, first newspaper in India, that is Bengal Gazette, and that was introduced in the month of November 18th, 1780. And next, coming to the first magazine in India, it was introduced in the year of 1785 and 1799 also. And next, coming to the first radio in India, July 29th, 1927. See the shape of the radio, right? Now how we are seeing our radio, there is a lot of difference between that time radio and now how we are seeing, right? And next, coming to television. This is the first television in India. This was introduced in the month of September 15th, 1959. How small screen it was, right? Now how we are using how big screens. And next, telephone. The first telephone in India was introduced in the month of January 28th and 1882. The first film in India. This was the year of 1913. Raja Harishchandra. This was a Hindi movie. Okay. So children, these are the first things in India. Through now whatever we are discussing the medias, in that medias, different medias, these are the first things which are introduced in India. Okay. So children, I hope you understand the topic, right? In this topic we discussed about the introduction and the media and technology, how technology is changing, right? So in this from ancient period to now, how the technology changed, okay, and different processes, how they used the things to communicate information from one place to another place, and now how we are using the gadgets to pass the information. Okay, so means these are the changes, and at the same time these are the developments in the technology. Okay, how we are using the things, how we are using mobiles, how we are using internet browsing. If we don't know any information, immediately we are surfing in the net, right? So like that, how we are how we are habituated to use the technology in our daily lives, how the technology is become a part and parcel in our life, right? So in that way here children, different parts of medias, okay, different kinds of medias, print medias, broadcasting medias, electronic medias and digital medias, right? And in that also mass media, right? One-to-one communication is different, and at a time we are communicating a lots of people, a large number of people, right? That is called as mass media. And in print media, newspapers will come, and broadcasting media, radio and TV will come, right? And electronic medias also. And next, digital media, mails, emails will come, right? And so these are the medias now we are using to pass the information to one place to another place, or one person to another area, right? And in movies, through advertisements, right? And through news channels, means overall through TVs we are getting the information about everything, okay, not only about our government, right? About different products, about different styles, about different areas, right? About different things, products, right? Each and everything we are getting information through different medias, right? So children, I hope you understand the topic, right? Children, today's your task is collect the information in your neighborhood, which kind of media channels they are using in your neighborhood. Okay, so collect the information. That is your task for today's. We'll meet you in the next module.